Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have JBL Endurance Sprint wireless Bluetooth earphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case these earphones are not connecting to your phone or other device, or if they keep disconnecting, or if you're only getting sound out of the left ear or out of the right ear. A factory reset can fix a lot of those issues. The other reason you might want to do this is just for any variety of reasons where you want to get these back to the way they were when they came out of the box with the pairing history and settings all deleted and cleared off of them, so you can sort of set them up basically like they're new. It's really easy to do. All you need to do is have them plugged in so that they're charging, and while they're charging, we're just going to press and hold the button on the right earbud for more than 15 seconds. So after those 15 seconds are up, you'll see they will reset, and they'll reset into their factory default settings. You can delete them off your phone or whatever and just set them up like they're a brand new set of earphones.